athletics and grades, joined the Air Force, spent 9 years doing maintenance on the F-15, the B-2 stealth bomber. Based at Air Force bases around the world and around the globe. He ended up serving multiple tours in the Middle East, Afghanistan, and other Middle Eastern countries, racking up multiple awards and decorations for his unparalleled work ethic and dedication. So that's the young man we're seeing carrying on the torch for his uncle and his grandfather. And I think I read somewhere that his uncle, who raced that jet car dragster, if you're of a certain age, I remember the article from Akron, Ohio. To me, they introduced jet racing into the dragster realm. They had jet-powered vehicles called Green Monsters, and they were entertaining and also very fast. There was a connection between his uncle Brad and that great racing family, the Arthur brothers. Melissa now is trying to limber up the entertainment. She's carrying about 350 horsepower. You have seen her fly before. You saw her do the double ribbon pickup. Saw her tumble in the air. Now she's enticing Hayden Crawford II in the hot streak 2 twin-engine jet car. Two-jet engines made by the Pratt & Whitney Company, formerly powering the Navy's T-2 Buckeye aircraft. When you equate the thrust to horsepower in the afterburner mode, Hayden Crawford in the cabin of the Hot Streak 2 is equivalent to 25,000 horsepower. Candy apple red is pretty much what I keep saying airplane, because it does fly down the runway. With the 57 Chevy, candy apple red truck is all about. Hey Melissa, you're coming in loud and clear. What have you got in store for our buddy Hayden Crawford II?
Hey, so I